Hello, this is Rafael Hikana, and this is my second speech on leadership. The basics of being a leader. What it means to be a leader is a leader can lead by example. He can motivate those around him to follow him to work. He can take responsibility for his actions, and he's able to delegate jobs without issue. And he's able to listen to criticism. Why do I feel like I'm a good leader is because I feel like I have the natural ability to empower and lead those around me on the job site and off the job site. Be able to teach as well as show them how to do the job in a fast and timely manner, especially when they're new. Take responsibility for my mistakes because nobody's perfect, and obviously mistakes are things that you learn from and make you a better worker. And I'm able to see who I have in my work group and delegate jobs to their strengths. The experience I've had as a shipwright and scaffolder and building scaffoldings is I've been entrusted to lead and finish numerous jobs, from tank scaffoldings on the cut-up boats to the Trident submarines, building the staging side of the tanks, building the wall scaffoldings on both, because that's a process that requires a good leader on the top, able to delegate the jobs to each person below him, from how fast to get material and what type of material that he wants. He's able to lead the project in order to get everybody home safely and finish the job in a fast and timely manner. Pig pens off of the side of the boats, because the person that's leading off on that job has to decide what way he wants to go and what areas he wants to finish scaffolding, or else if one person mess up, someone could fall off the side of the boat. The RC package stagings is the stagings that go around the RC package, the reactor compartment, in order to build them up and to completely encapsulate the RC package in order to put the pennies on both sides of it to completely cover it in order to set up for the jacking. The 2-block jacking scaffoldings are the multi-sized 2-block scaffoldings that go up the side of the keel blocks in order for everyone to work during the jacking and put in the pieces underneath the jacks. The rain and let off on multiple rain covers in order to keep our employees dry. And I've also assisted in multiple modifications to assist in getting to the job site, EA, or scaffoldings for Shop 26, Shop 38, and across the whole board in order for them to get to their job sites and finish their jobs. In conclusion, I've had hundreds of hours of experience teaching and assisting those who just started out in the job. Experience has helped me gain a solid position as a leader with the respect of those around me to actually listen to my opinion and to follow my lead. With some question, obviously, as they can also teach me things. Being a good leader has shaped me into the type of worker I am. I'm able to lead by example, and I'm able to earn the respect of those around me by showing them that I can also do the job and that I'm not incompetent in what I can do. This is Rafael Hikana, and I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.